What's going on, guys? It's your boy Joe. Welcome back to a new video. Today I copped a little something locally. I just had to cop it. It was for a good deal. Let me go ahead and show y'all real quick. So I took a drive out a couple hours away to go cop this Haruma Z front end bumper polyurethane. We do got a couple things we got to adjust, so we're gonna go ahead and adjust it real quick for y'all guys. Got the rod right here, guys. He's going with the 32. The Skyline is coming really soon, so make sure y'all stay tuned for that reveal. It's gonna be lit.
One eternity later.
All right, guys, we just made it to Mako, and y'all guys are in for just a little bitty surprise, guys. Just a little surprise, guys. Let's go ahead and head on in there. So I just got done paying for everything inside. Now we're just waiting. Of course, we brought out the Mama Lona cut. Look at that. Today, you already know, guys. Y'all know what y'all here for. Y'all read the title. Y'all see the thumbnail. In today's video, we're going to be revealing the G35's new color reveal. And there's something else I did a little bit different. Added a little bit of spice to it, guys. But let's go ahead and get straight into the video. And just like that, guys, we just made it down to a little good scenery out here down the street of my casa. But guys, I just wanted to go ahead and explain why I got this color. The reason I got this color is because I believe it's super unique. Not very much of these G's have that color, and I think I've only seen probably like 1 or 2 G's with this specific color. But on YouTube so far, I don't think I've seen it, not that I know of at least. But yeah, guys, as we speak, the G is right behind the camera, and oh my god, it just looks amazing. We still got a couple of parts we still got to put on the car. We did take them off, and so we haven't put them on just yet. So in the shade, the car is a little bit lighter, and in the sun it is darker. So of course the camera is still not going to do it justice at the end of the day compared if you see it in person. But I did create a TikTok account, and I do have an Instagram for this car, guys. So the car is going to be on Instagram. If you haven't already, make sure you guys go follow me on Instagram to get some more better pictures, and if you want to see the whole color a lot better. Let me go ahead and stop talking and just get straight into it. Just like that, guys, what y'all guys think about the new color reveal? Let me know down in the comments what y'all guys think. I'm obsessed with this color. It looks way better than black, and it has a lot more details in my opinion. As y'all guys can see, I went with the Haruma Z front bumper in the beginning of the video. We have that baby painted and everything now, and we also got the Leon hardwoods. We're thinking about also powder coating the faces. I might go with white faces instead, but who knows yet, or I might actually just trade these. So if y'all guys want to trade, let me know down in the comments down below or on Instagram. I do plan on going with side splitters, so this can fill up a little bit more. I am going to go with the front splitter, the East Splitters front splitter with the rods in the front, so it can look more aggressive. And as y'all guys know, I also have the G35 and 350Z diffuser that's currently not on there right now, but we are going to put that on there. Like I said, guys, we got a couple of stuff that's not on the car yet. We still have yet to install it still, and I still got some stuff coming in the mail, guys. If y'all guys want to see me do anything else to the G, let me know down in the comments down below what y'all guys think I should go with. And like I said, guys, the camera does not do it justice whatsoever. The camera does not do it justice. It definitely looks way better in person as well. So maybe y'all guys can catch me at some Houston meets. Who knows? I'll be going out to Houston meets now, so I will be hosting a car meet soon with my homies over at Clutch. So if y'all guys want to be interested in that or want to show up, y'all guys are more than welcome to. Make sure you guys check out the Clutch shop as well. So no one has seen the G yet, so let's go ahead, head over to the casa, and let's get some reactions from family and friends. All right, guys, we're about to get my stepmom's reaction. She just pulled up right now. She's in the little Jetta ski. We're about to see how she reacts to the little G ski right here.
What the?
What do you
even
think?
look like the same car. Wow.
Yeah.
Shit. Now I don't like my color anymore. This is clean. When did you get it back?
Today. Got it back today, this morning.
Yeah. Way better than black.
The next day.
My boy Jason just rolled up right now. That dude's sitting like a UFO. This is gonna be his live reaction right now to actually seeing the car. Straight UFO'd in him though. Look at that fitment. You see that dude's fitment? That dude's fitment is crazy. Look at that. Yes, sir.
The snake fits between that bad baby.
That's the color I went with. You already see it has a new front bumper on it and everything now.
This is a Mako paint job?
Yeah.
That's pretty good for a Mako paint job.
Yeah.
I'm changing
Better
the
than
wheels
Jason's
on it.
paint job.
Okay.
What do you think?
I think it's pretty good.
I still gotta put the diffuser back on it. It has no diffuser right now, so the back is kind of naked. Yeah, that sucker actually came out pretty
They
clean.
did pretty good.
For a Mako paint job, that baby sitting purdy. Sheesh. And that's gonna end today's video, guys. Let me know down in the comments down below what y'all guys think about the new paint job. Honestly, I did not like the black as much as I like this. It looks way better in my opinion. Just way better. You see the little small details into it, like I said. But yeah, guys, if y'all guys enjoyed that video right there, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and we're out here. Peace.